Welcome to the Conservative Voice Network, where tradition meets truth. Unfiltered news, bold opinions, real American values. Join the movement, speak up, stand strong. Attorney General Pam Bondi announced that foreign terrorists in the United States should begin self-deporting following a Supreme Court ruling that favored President Donald Trump regarding the enforcement of the Alien Enemies Act. Bondi's comments came after the court allowed the use of the act to deport alleged Venezuelan gang members, which she described as a significant victory for the rule of law and national safety. She emphasized that individuals marked for deportation would be swiftly processed in Texas and warned terrorists to prepare for removal, asserting, "We're gonna find you." The ruling is seen as a landmark decision, and further challenges to the act's request could arise in the future. Attorney General Pam Bondi said Tuesday that foreign terrorists in the United States should start self-deporting after Monday's legal victory for President Donald Trump in the Supreme Court. "These people will be deported," Bondi told Fox News' Fox and Friends. "Americans are safer, and domestic terrorists, foreign terrorists, you better look out because we're coming after you." "I'd start self-deporting if I were you because we're gonna find you," she said. The Supreme Court ruled 5-4 Monday to lift U.S. District Judge James Boasberg's temporary restraining order, blocking the Trump administration's use of the Alien Enemies Act to deport alleged Venezuelan gang members. The majority of the court ruled that act detainees must receive notice after the date of this order that they are subject to removal under the act, and notice must be afforded within a reasonable time and in some manner as will allow them to actually seek habeas relief. "This is a landmark victory for the rule of law, and this is what we've been arguing on behalf of President Trump from day one," Bondi said. "These are enemies of our state, of our country, and they should be deported." Bondi said there are many reasons Americans are safer following the decision. "From this point forward, the hearing will be held. It's a habeas hearing in the court of confinement, which means in Texas," she said. "So it will be a much faster hearing. They can't do class actions. It will be a much smoother, simpler hearing, and these people will be deported." While the Trump administration will be able to use the act, which has historically been reserved for wartime threats, to resume deportations, justices on the court have yet to decide whether the act authorizes them. This could raise challenges similar to Boasberg's case in the future, and a new case could come to the Supreme Court. At the Conservative Voice Network, we stand for truth, tradition, and the values that make this nation strong. Join the conversation, share your story, let us know what you think in the comments below, because your voice matters. And don't forget to please hit that like button, it really helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching.